If you thought action cameras had reached their peak, think again, because the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 3 might just change everything. Leaks suggest that this camera won't just be an upgrade. It could be a complete reinvention of what a compact, AI-powered camera can do. And here's the kicker. Early whispers say its price might climb above the $600 to $700 mark, placing it squarely in professional territory. But if even half of these leaks are true, it might actually be worth every penny. Right now, Insta360 hasn't officially confirmed anything, but the rumor mill is on fire. The Ace Pro 3 is being described as the most revolutionary action camera of 2025, one that will push boundaries in both hardware and artificial intelligence. Following the Ace Pro 2's release in October 2024, the company seems to be gearing up for a massive technological leap, possibly by late 2025 or early 2026. What makes this even more exciting is Insta360's renewed partnership with Leica in March 2025, hinting that we'll see major improvements in optical performance and sensor quality. Under the hood, the Ace Pro 3 is rumored to feature a triple AI processing system. That's an upgrade from the dual AI chip used in the Ace Pro 2. This new engine could enable real-time video enhancement, object tracking, and ultra-smart automatic editing that makes traditional post-production almost obsolete. It's not just a camera anymore. It's shaping up to be a content creation assistant in your pocket. Then there's the sensor. The previous model came with a 50-megapixel 1/1.3-inch sensor, which already outperformed many of its rivals. But the new one? Rumors suggest a 60 to 70 megapixel sensor with a larger size, designed for superior light sensitivity and incredible detail retention. Combined with improved low-light algorithms, this could mean night footage that actually looks cinematic, not grainy or washed out. And for videographers, the real headline feature might be the 8K at 60 frames per second recording, something no other mainstream action camera currently offers. That means hyper-real clarity, smoother slow motion, and more dynamic range than ever before. If Insta360 nails the compression and color science, this could leapfrog GoPro and DJI entirely. The autofocus system also seems set for a major overhaul, moving from phase detection to a new AI hybrid autofocus with eye and subject tracking, predictive focus, and ultra-fast 0.1 second lock-on, even in dim lighting.
But it's the AI-powered stabilization that might steal the show. Insta360's engineers are reportedly working on a multi-axis stabilization system that uses predictive AI to counter motion before it even happens. If that's true, it could outperform GoPro's Hypersmooth and DJI's Rocksteady, delivering gimbal-like smoothness straight out of the camera. Combine that with the rumored AI scene recognition and auto-editing, and you're looking at a camera that could literally shoot, edit, and export stunning clips almost on its own. Design-wise, the Ace Pro 3 is expected to retain Insta360's rugged and waterproof DNA, but add refined ergonomics for better grip and control. The rear touchscreen could be larger and more responsive, and the accessory ecosystem may expand into modular magnetic attachments for faster mounting and creative versatility. Expect it to feel more premium, more practical, and more creator-friendly than ever before. Battery life has also been a major talking point. The new model is rumored to feature a higher capacity cell. If these leaks hold true, the Ace Pro 3 could set a new benchmark for the entire action camera industry. The combination of triple AI processing, next-gen 8K recording, advanced stabilization, and game-changing low-light performance might make it the most powerful camera in its class, or even a contender to replace larger professional rigs in certain shoots. With a predicted release window between late 2025 and early 2026, anticipation is already building. If Insta360 delivers what the rumors promise, the Ace Pro 3 won't just be another yearly upgrade. It'll be a redefinition of what creators can expect from a pocket-sized powerhouse. And when that official announcement finally drops, don't be surprised if this becomes the camera every filmmaker, vlogger, and traveler wants to get their hands on, no matter the price.
DJI has been surprisingly quiet for a while, but that silence? Yeah, it's about to break in the loudest way possible. The long-rumored DJI Osmo Action 6 is reportedly dropping around October 24th, 2025, and the leaks are absolutely wild. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. It really helps keep this channel rolling. So here's the deal. DJI is bringing some serious firepower this time. The Action 6 keeps the familiar rectangular design we all recognize, but it's now slightly thicker because inside there's a lot more power. The front circular lens is bigger and wrapped in a slick, textured metal bezel, with a new pill-shaped element below the front screen that gives it a more polished, premium look. And yes, it's still rugged, IP68 rated, waterproof up to 20 meters without a case. That's GoPro-level confidence right there. Now here's where things get spicy. This will be DJI's first action camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a massive leap from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Action 5 Pro, meaning sharper detail, incredible low-light performance, and a boost in dynamic range. Add 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 10-bit D-Log-M color with over 13 stops of dynamic range. Yeah, DJI's clearly flexing hard, but it doesn't stop there. Say hello to Rocksteady 4.0 and AI-driven Horizon Steady with 360-degree leveling and real-time shake prediction. Whether you're diving, skiing, or sending it downhill on a mountain bike, your footage will look ridiculously stable. Plus, it pairs with Garmin and Apple Watch, letting you control recording, switch modes, and overlay live data like heart rate or altitude right onto your footage. Now for the twist: pricing. Leaks say the standard combo will land between $329 to $429, while the Adventure combo goes for $479 to $579. That's shockingly close to the Action 5 Pro range, considering all the upgrades. So yeah, DJI's coming for GoPro's crown, and honestly, things are about to get very interesting. Now, compare the DJI Action 6 to Action 5 Pro.
Oh yeah, folks. Because today we're diving into a showdown that's got every action camera fan on the edge of their seats. DJI Action 6 versus DJI Action 5 Pro. Can you believe it? Two powerhouse cameras, both promising mind-blowing performance, but only one can truly take the crown. Which one will come out on top? Stick with me till the very end to find out, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's dive into the heart of any camera, the sensor. The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's Horizon Steady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced Rocksteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered Horizon Steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes,
That means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right? If this rumor turns out true, stabilization just reached a whole new level. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures. Which one should you choose? So, here's the million-dollar question. Which camera wins your heart? The DJI Action 5 Pro is a reliable, high-performance workhorse, perfect for immediate adventures. The DJI Action 6, however, promises 8K recording, advanced AI stabilization, and enhanced smartwatch integration. The choice is yours. Stick with the trusted Action 5 Pro or embrace the futuristic Action 6. So, which side are you on for your next adventure? So tell me folks, what will it be? Will you stick with the dependable Action 5 Pro, or are you ready to leap into the future with the Action 6? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this battle isn't over, and your next adventure deserves the right camera.